Hi everyone, Dr. Iadeluca here. I'm going to do a little grand tour of our Corry office. So we're out here in our Corry office, and come on in. This is our entranceway. We have a little coffee bar. This is our front desk area. We have Amanda. Smile, say hi. All right. This is the front desk, and then we have Maddie right here. She's out here helping us. So if you come right around this way, they got some products that we sell. We got a nice little waiting area here. And if you follow me back here, here's Dr. Pat. He's our doctor out here. The adjusting bay, come on in. And so we use drop table technique. Dr. Pat's an expert at that. You see his dermoscope over there. Does an awesome, nice light force technique. Don't let the bang and scare you. It feels it's really, really nice. And so if you come on in here, our muscle stim area. And since it's a little bit cooler today, we got a nice warm fireplace, so we put a television in there. Makes it fun. But we have our table to do a little bit of therapies on, and then we have muscle stim. If you come on over this way, a beautiful brand new exam room. I love this wallpaper. We show some videos for patients here. You can pan out. We do a digital posture analysis here. So with our digital posture analysis, we take pictures of the patient from the front and then from the side, and we line them up, and we want to compare how they line up with our x-ray, which we're going to show you next here. But we'll do a digital posture analysis to show you exactly how you line up. And so if you follow me this way, you can get it. Our high frequency digital x-ray. This is the best x-ray machine you can get. It's beautiful. The operator stands back here. Shoot the x-rays this way. They come up digitally on the screen right here, and we take digital films right here. Usually chiropractors take them standing, and so this is set up for standing x-rays. We'll take x-rays of your low back, your shoulder, your knee, your neck, whatever we need, okay? And then we take those x-rays and we'll compare them to your posture analysis, so we can see how the bones look on the inside, and then we can compare that to how you're standing globally from head to toe. You see how much sitting in front of that computer like this is screwing up your posture. So if we go on over this way, all right, everybody, let me show you this back area of the office right over here. So of course we have a restroom, but if you come right down this way, we have our decompression room. Okay, this is cervical decompression. This one's set up for cervical. These are both set up for lumbar. And so when you have a low back problem, let's talk about that for a second. And that disc is pressing into that nerve where it's pinched. Decompression after adjustment helps pump that disc open and alleviates the pressure off the nerve. Oftentimes people come in and the nerve is pinched from that low back disc. A lot of back pain, believe it or not, is caused from the disc or discogenic. And so after you get chiropractic adjustment, it's really beneficial to pump that disc open with decompression. And of course, this is the cervical one. You get the same problem in the neck vertebrae. And so you want to take that disc and pump that disc open. So maybe you're in front of your computer so much you're getting pinched nerve and headaches and pain down that arm. Very common. So this is our decompression room. We'll go right on over here to our laser room. This is our laser room, and so laser takes the hypersensitive nerves and just calms them down. And those hypersensitive nerves can be there a long time. Sometimes the nerves fire, and the painful nerves, when there isn't any stimulus, and so that nerve is just aggravated. And so it's especially true in people that are on long hours on their feet, have a lot of foot problems. They start to develop plantar fasciitis at the bottom of their foot. And so the laser is especially good at helping with that. And so it also helps with patients who have chronic low back pain, neck pain. I use it on my own shoulder. The reason why we have the laser actually is for my left knee. I hurt my left knee when I was a kid, and that thing was aching, and that laser just calmed it down. When I was at the conference, I'm like, I gotta get one of these. So I was patient number one. And so laser therapy works excellent. That's a 60-watt Aspen laser that really helps. And if you come right around this way, we also have orthotics. So we can do custom orthotics in our Corry office too. Nice little desk here. Well, that's a little grand tour of our Corry office, but thanks so much. Have a good one.